Wind advisory in effect from 10 a.m. this morning to 1 a.m. EST Monday. What? South winds 15 to 25 miles per hour with isolated gusts up to 45 miles per hour expected today. Shifting southwest 20 to 30 miles per hour with widespread gusts up to 50 miles per hour this evening and tonight. Where? Portions of north central, northeast, and northwest Ohio and northwest Pennsylvania. When? From 10 a.m. this morning to 1 a.m. EST Monday. Impacts. Gusty winds will blow around unsecured objects. Tree limbs could be blown down and a few power outages may result. Additional details. The strongest winds are expected along and behind a cold front late this afternoon into the first half of tonight. Scattered showers and isolated thunderstorms may accompany the cold front. Any stronger showers or thunderstorms can locally enhance wind gusts to greater than 50 miles per hour. Winds this strong can make driving difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Use extra caution.